So as a collision repair professional, we spend a great deal of time in our facility educating consumers about the investments we've made in order to provide what we believe is the best product within our market. And those things can include equipment, OEM training, advanced training, as well as the facility itself and the amenities that we're able to offer our customers because of the facility investments we've made. So Mike, in your time with Collision Advice, what are some of the things that you've seen that differentiate shops from other shops in their market?
Yeah, so I think, Michael, what you said, you've already touched on two of the most important differentiators, right? And that is the equipment and the training. There are a lot of collision repair facilities that will absolutely reinvest in their business. They want to have the latest and greatest in equipment, not to show off, but they just understand the vehicle technology is changing year over year. And so we constantly, good collision repair facilities are going to be reinvesting in the equipment, but not just the equipment, but also the advanced training it takes to fix your vehicle. Now, there are also a couple other considerations when you're looking to maybe compare collision repair facilities. One is, are they certified by a vehicle manufacturer, right? So, for example, you might have certified shops and non-certified shops. Understand that if a shop has taken the time to get certified, that can tell you that they have absolutely invested in the training and equipment that it takes to be certified. So you can probably rest assured that that shop is going to be a little bit different than just say the average facility in your local market. In addition, you may also have what's called DRP or non-DRP shops. Now, DRP is a direct repair program. That means that that shop is on a list with an insurance company where maybe they've agreed to specific pricing agreements or something in regards to get more work sent to them from that insurance company. But whether it's a DRP or non-DRP shop, separate that, and what you really need to focus on is that shop adequately trained and equipped in order to fix your vehicle to put you and your family safely back on the road.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.